Learning to code is difficult. As a result, numerous programs have been created to assist you in writing code better and faster. Coding becomes much easier when you have the right tools. This is where apps like AskJarvis come in handy. If you use this time-saving tool for developers, you'll be able to work faster, more efficiently, and enjoy coding in no time. Allow me to share with you an awesome deal for AskJarvis. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. AskJarvis is a development assistant that includes syntax and documentation generators, a codebase, IDE plugins that helps you write code faster. With a single click, AskJarvis can produce syntax for many programming libraries, saving you hours of browsing through documentation and examples. All you have to do for a simple command is write in your query, and AskJarvis will produce the syntax and the code you require. Use AskJarvis' ability to automatically translate snippets of code from one standard language to another if you work in many programming languages. AskJarvis also includes a variety of tools to help you expedite your development process, which you can sort by filtering function for quick access. AskJarvis also has a lot of features for quickly creating code based on your needs. It can also be used as an extension, giving you access to its most important features right from your IDE editor. The tool works with Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, IntelliJ, and RubyMine, so its extension is available to respond to queries straight from the editor and increase your productivity. AskJarvis is a coding assistant that uses tools like syntax generators, code translators, IDE integrations, and a searchable codebase to help your team work smarter. With a complete development toolkit, you can write code faster using AskJarvis. This lifetime deal starts at only $59. Save as much as $900 and get lifetime access. What are you waiting for? Get AskJarvis today and you'll never have to worry about documentation and development process again. Check out the link below to know more about AskJarvis. Take a look at our current software lifetime deals, available on the right side of your screen. Click the like button and subscribe to receive our latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.